How to link threads to Instagram. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to link threads to Instagram. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right now I will teach you two methods in order to do this. So the first method involves clicking on share profile right here and then getting the link of your threads profile. And after you have copied it, you can now head over to your Instagram. Click on edit profile right here and then click on links, and then you can add external link right here wherein you can paste a link that you have copied from your threads, and then just type in here threads profile and then click on check, and it should be added to the links that are existing to your threads. So if we head over here, we can see the link on our profile. But another method is that it automatically connects your threads on Instagram. So as you can see right here, there's a badge. So if you click on that, it will direct you to my threads account. That is because threads is already connected to Instagram once you have joined using your Instagram account. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to link threads to Instagram. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.